Hello everyone. Today my session is about automating the Facebook login. In this process, I am going to explain you about how to launch or how to log into the Facebook automatically. So in this process, I am going to use my Internet Explorer to log into my Facebook, and I'll sign out from the Facebook account and I'll just close my IE. This is a straightforward activity that there is no much complexity was involved. So let me take you into the process. Here is my object studio. I have already created an object called Facebook automation. Let me open my object. So here in action 1, I have created some modules. So first I have spied all my required activities. I have taken all the required resources, and I have designed the flow for the particular object. So in my application modeler, I have spied my application, and I have spied user ID field, password field, and login button field for the first phase of the process. And this is how I have used my process. I have launched my application. I have taken my application as an initial element, and I have launched my action. From there I have given a wait condition. It's a conditional wait where whenever my tool hits the right cursor or right inbox, that will break the wait stage. It's a conditional wait stage. Whenever it hits the username box, so the wait will be terminated, and that will move on to the right name and that will enter the password, and that will automatically click on the login button. After clicking to the login button, the page will be appeared, and my Facebook is automatically logged into the system. And after that, I have provided the unconditional wait for 10 seconds. So I have provided the 10 seconds of unconditional wait. After that, my process will be closed or terminated then and there. And here what I have done is, while in the first conditional wait stage, there is a possibility where the browser is not yet loaded. In that case, after the given timeline, when the wait stage is timeout, that will throw an exception saying that there is no landing page, or the page not loaded. So that will be recovered and pushed into the end, because I don't want to interrupt my process. That's the reason I have prepared the exception and recovery stage here. And let me call my action stage. Let me run my process and show you how exactly it's working in real-time scenario. Let me run my process. The IE is launched, and it will wait for some time, and when it hits the email ID that has provided the email ID and password, that will click on the login button. That's it. Now your process is logged into my system, and now it's in a unconditional wait stage, and it will wait for the 10 seconds, and then and there the browser will be terminated for next phase. I think it's terminated. This is how the Facebook login automation was done. Let me save my process. Thanks for your time. If you had any questions, you can comment below, or if you have any serious questions, you can drop me a mail. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because there are number of videos that are interesting to know about it. Thank you.